So now let's see the third one. 567 into 890. So here also multiplying the given number by 3-digit number. So let's start. So first you have to multiply by 0, then by 9 and then by 8. So first digit is 0. Very easy. Any number multiply by 0 is 0. Keep in mind everyone. Any number multiply by 0 is 0. So 0 into 7, 0. 0 into 6, 0. 0 into 5, 0. Okay. So this first step over. Now we have to go for second step. So what is the rule? While we are going for second step, we have to use 1 0 for unit place. 1 0 for unit place. Then we have to start the multiplication. Now multiply by 9. 9 table you have to count up to which digit? 7 digit. So 9 sevens are, yes, 9 sevens are 63. So 3 I am writing here and carry 6. Now 9 6 are, okay, count everyone 9 table in your mind. So 9 6 are, yes, 54. 9 6 are 54, and in that 54 you have to add 6. After 54 count the 6 finger. After 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Yes. So 9 6 are 54 plus 6 is 60, means 0 here, carry 6. Now 9 table you have to count up to 5 digit. 9 5s are, yes, 9 5s are 45. And in 45 we have to add 6. After 45 count the 6 fingers. After 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So 9 5s are 45 plus 6 is 51. So this second step over. Now go to the third step. As we are going to for the third step, we have to use here how many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros. Yes, when we are going for third step, we have to use the 2 zeros. Now multiply by 8. So now 8 table you have to count. 8 sevens are, yes, 8 sevens are 56. So 6 I am writing here, carry 5. Now 8 6 are, 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5. After 48 count the 5 finger. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Yes. So for 53, 3 here, carry 5. Okay. Now again 9. Now see 8 we are doing, no, 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 5. 45. 40 plus 5 is 45. So now this all 3-digit multiplication over. Now we have to do the addition. Now we have to do the addition. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. So again 4 plus 1 is 5. So what is the answer is? Yes, 5,04,630. So that is about the third one. Understood everyone? Yes, see it properly again one time. You see how we can multiply the each digit properly. So let's see now the next example. So now let's see the fourth one. 4,317 into 824. So here for this number multiply by the 3 digit. So first we have to multiply by 4, then by 2, then by 8. So let's start with 4. Everyone know the 4 table? Yes, count the 4 table up to 7 digit. Okay, count the 4 table up to 7 digit. 4 sevens are, yes, 4 sevens are 28. So 8 I am writing here, carry 2. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. Now 4 threes are, 12. So 2 here, carry 1. 4 threes are 12. So 2 here, carry 1. Now 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Understood the first step? 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So this is about the first step. Now go to the second step. So what is the rule? While we are going for second step, use 1 0. Okay, use 1 0. Now second digit is 2. So we have to count now 2 table. Okay, we have to count now 2 table. Now 2 sevens are 2 sevens are 14. 4 here carry 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 2 threes are 6. And 2 fours are 8. Understood the second step? Very easy. As 2 table is very easy. Everyone know. So it is easy. Now second step over. Now go to the third digit now. So while we are going for third step, how many zeros we have to use? Yes, 2 zeros. We have to use the 2 zeros. Now multiply by 8. Now 8 table we have to count. 8 table up to 7 digit. 8 sevens are. Yes, 8 sevens are 56. So 6 here carry 5. 6 here carry 5. Now 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. After 8 count the 5 finger. 8 plus 5 is 13 means 3. Carry 1. 13 means 3 carry 1. Now 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 means 5 here carry 2. And 8 fours are. Now 8 fours are. Yes, 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. So this is about the 3 digit multiplication. Now this multiplication we have to add it. All these 3 number we have to add it. Now 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. Means here 0 carry 1. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 here carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17 means 7 here carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Yes, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 means 5 here carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 and that 3 as it is. So this is about the fourth answer. Understood everyone? Yes. So see it properly how to solve the multiplication. Understood everyone this multiplication? So same example you have to do the practice again and again. Then only it is easy for you. So let's see the next one. So now see the fifth example 6092 into 203. So the multiplying the given number by 3 digit number. So here we have to multiply by 3, then by 0, then by 2. Very easy numbers are there. Okay. So everyone know the 3 tables. So count it. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 nines are, yes, 3 nines are 27 means 7 here carry 2. 3 0 0. 0 plus 2 is 2 only. Okay. And 3 6 are 18. Understood everyone? Yes. 1 by 1 to each digit you have to multiply. Now first step over. Now we have to go for second step means we have to use 1 0 for unit place. Now again we have to multiply by 0. As you know, any number multiply by 0 means 0 only. So 0 into 2 0. 0 into 9 0. 0 into 0 0. 0 into 6 0. Okay. So this second step over. Now we have to go for third step. While we are going for third step, how many 0 we have to use? 2 zeros. Okay. Now multiply by 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 nines are, yes, 2 nines are 18 means 8 here carry 1. 2 0 0. 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 1 is 1 and 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Again one thing you have to keep in mind, while you writing the number down to the first digit number, you have to write it properly, means down to down number. Okay, down to down number only you have to write, otherwise there you have get the mistake when you are doing the addition. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 2 plus 4 is 6, 8 plus 8 is 16, 6 carry 1. Carry 1 means 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and this 2 as it is, 1 as it is. So this is the answer for fifth one. Understood everyone? So everyone solve this example in your CW also and practice it in your rough book also. So today we have complete up to 5 examples. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everyone write these 5 examples in your CW. And again remaining some examples are there. 12 examples are there total for multiplication. So first you have complete these 5 examples. Then you can try to solve. I am going to take this remaining example in the next period. Okay. But still you can try yourselves. See is it you are able to solve or not. So you can try yourself to solve these remaining examples also in your CW. And when these all 5 examples over, again you solve these 5 examples in your rough book also. Okay. Again these 5 examples you can solve in your rough book also for your practice. Understood everyone? Okay. So this is all about the today's parts. So everyone complete the problem set 14 question 1. These 5 example, first 5 examples in your CW, and again same example solve in a rough book one time, and when these all over, then you can try to solve the remaining examples. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.